So as some of you know, I've had a really nasty pimple here for a while. And a lot of the kids on the live stream didn't like the clear patch, so I put a smiley face on it. But today, the solution has arrived, because I did run out of the cute Kuromi ones. I've only got like these big ones that are just unnecessary at this point. I'm going to save them for later. And I have nothing else I need to buy from the goth shop to be able to make free shipping, and if I can't make free shipping and it's not urgent, why bother? However, Mecca's free shipping is much more, tolerable. I think it's like 25 bucks. It tells you how much money they make out of this stuff, but yeah. So, thought I'd try something different. So just get rid of labels. Ta-da! Done. Not a beauty loop, just a regular delivery in a fancy box. Oh, it's always so cute. Now to destroy their wrapping. Oh, but there's more tissue paper, so at least I can try and save that. We've got that's the sample. I haven't even used the last sample of this that I got. I suppose I should try at some point, but I've been trying to minimize any unusual skincare products. I kind of stripped it back to, it's almost healed at the time of filming, which is the 27th of July, 2026, because I'm not going to post this with any urgency. I did write myself another card. So I can't help myself. Why not? What did I write to myself? You're a fiery ball of hot gas. In brackets, a star! And I wonder, when they were printing that, what did they think of it? Anyway, the reason for the card becomes clear. Starface! Yes, so I'm going to put stars on my face. The black ones are the basic ones. Hydrocolloid. Absorbs fluid, protects skin, and shrinks spots. The one that I'm wearing underneath, Mr. Sticky Note, it's hydrocolloid, but I think it also has tea tree oil and maybe one more thing, I forget. It's a cheap one I got from the supermarket. And it's actually a nighttime one, but I ran out of appropriate daytime ones. I do still have the Mecca one with the spot dots that has salicylic acid in it, but it just, because this is finally like gone down enough and it kind of popped a little bit, and I want it to absorb the fluid. I want a regular hydrocolloid one, not the salicylic one, which it only absorbs around the edges. The other thing is, the thing in the middle with all the dots is to like deliver the salicylic acid. I don't know. So yeah, during the day, have something that'll actually cover it and suck up all the stuff. Whereas, yeah, this one being a night one, it just doesn't, the cheap ones don't stick very well. Whereas the Mecca branded ones stick well, and these ones, I think because they're star-shaped, I think it'll mold my face a little bit better. Like, there's a bit more room for movement before it starts coming off, as opposed to like a full circle trying to warp its way around my face. So that's what I'm going to try. And then the purple ones are recovery patches, which is, I think the idea is like after you've had one, well, I can read on the back, but it's got vitamin A, which is, I guess, retinol, and aloe vera. I think aloe vera is what the cheap ones have. Yeah, so they're not the cheapest ones, but I'm going to give them a go. I will read the back of the black one. 100% hydrocolloid pimple patches made to help absorb pimple juice. Ugh. Reduce redness and shrink spots while looking cute. They're also a gentle reminder to avoid skin picking, which is what I find like one of the most helpful things. Because treating this, it's taken a long time. And yeah, avoiding the temptation to pick, biggest challenge. That's why it's been really good. So you apply to clean, dry skin, leave on overnight or 6+ hours for best results. Lift off in the morning, replace with a new star if you want. And you can get little cases for them. Why bother? Black ones, because I got to do the goth thing. I don't want like pink, and like the thing about pink ones is like then from a distance it might just look like a massive pimple. Black ones can't really go wrong. And then the purple one, this is like specific. So Hydro Star Recovery is a hydrocolloid patch made with vitamin A, aloe vera, and licorice root to help increase cell turnover and minimize the look of scars. Designed to help soothe and heal skin that's dry, flaky, or freshly picked. And the instructions are the same. So probably after like this is healed a bit, can put this on and hopefully that'll make it look a bit better. I mean, there is one that I have someone here. Can you see there's like a little vague pink mark? That was one that I popped and have just let it go, and it's still a little bit pink there, so we'll see if we can get a better result using this to recover. But yeah, pimple recovery. Like, no one, when I went through the whole acne treatment like 20 years ago, no one told me about stuff like this. I don't know when they came out. Hydrocolloid is, I think, originally like a medical product. I'm not really sure. Oh, it's, what does this say? Now extra absorbent and 2 times stickier. Cool, because yeah, I want them to actually stick to my face. This one has been coming off like within hours of putting it on. Yeah, and they don't look great. Like, I didn't have to go anywhere today, so that's fine. I can have it half hanging off. You know, I didn't wear the sticky note. That's just for the video, so that kids don't complain because God, they're immature. But yeah, during the day, just sort of leaving it hanging half on. If you want to go out, you want something that'll stick there. Or I have been wearing my mask, my face mask, which I got before COVID, by the way. It makes me look like a cat, because it keeps my face warm in winter, and it's been pretty cold some days, especially in the morning when I walk the dog. I probably need to do it more and keep some moisture on my face because I had a nosebleed this afternoon, so that was fun. I'm probably going to have to ease off on the nasal sprays, which is sad because, yeah, antihistamines don't really agree with me, or maybe I'll try a different one and just hope that it doesn't make me depressed. Yeah, so I'm gonna give Starface a go. So the different ones that I've tried, so Mecca has regular ones, which I think are like the hydrocolloid ones. I've run out of them a while back, but I'm using the spot dot ones with salicylic acid, and they do stick on. They stick on well. Just, yeah, and that's what I've been wearing during the day once I ran out of the cute Kuromi ones. But yeah, they don't, like, it's not what I needed today. I needed one that's just gonna suck up any like juice remaining. And then at night, I've been wearing, I can't even remember the brand. It's just some generic one from the supermarket. Oh, it's probably not generic, but yeah, some cheap one from the supermarket. Large ones, overnight ones, and then these ones are the like medium-sized ones. It's like a PM set, so you're supposed to wear it at night. But even at night, it doesn't really stick to your face properly through the night. And then the Kuromi ones, they've stuck fairly well. I think, yeah, they do stick pretty well. Probably comparable, at least, to the Mecca ones. The Mecca ones stick really well, because they're designed to go under makeup, and you don't want one half coming off if you've put foundation over it. I guess that's a thing. When the Kuromi ones come off, though, they're really sticky, and they pull out other stuff with them that I'm like, I'm not really sure. Be interesting to see what these are. Have I tried any other brands? No, just Mecca, the supermarket one, and Mecca Max is the one, and the supermarket one, and the Kuromi one, which is Cream Shop, and they do a lot of like Hello Kitty type stuff. I think I will buy more when I have a reason to order more stuff from the goth shop, but you know, lately I'm just like, I haven't gone anywhere. I don't really do anything with my life at the moment. So, in the meantime, we will try Starface, and at least it'll look interesting. And next month there is an art opening that I might go to, and if I still have issues, just chuck them on my face. I already freak out the people in this relatively conservative suburb. It's good fun. So yeah, we'll see how it goes. And I can be a fiery ball of hot gas. Fun! Anything else to say? Oh yeah, and I'll try this at some point. I guess, like, when I'm doing makeup and if I've got redness left over from this, I suppose you put it on that. I wonder if that's why they gave it to me. I don't think they tend to look at, like, what samples they're giving. Like, I have bought from different shops where they seem to give you an on-theme sample. But, like, this could be on-theme because, you know, got pimples, got redness. Chuck some green on it, cancel it out, color theory, blah, blah. Maybe, or maybe it's just lucky coincidence. Anyway, enough rambling. On to the next thing. It's not even filming Friday. Oh my god.